First, fill your admin ID and password. Click on user login. After that, click on payroll transaction. Click on process monthly salary. Then now click on import attendance. Click on which month salary you want to process. After that, click on export Excel template. Now you are able to find your Excel over here. Then open your Excel and fill your attendance over here. Okay. Then save your Excel file. Close your Excel. Now open your software. Then click on choose file. Select your Excel. Click on open. Click on upload. Now you can see file successfully uploaded. Then click on import from Excel. You can see here it is the option of file successfully imported. Then click on back. After that, click on import loan. Select your month. Click on direct import installment from loan disbursement. Now this is showing here loan advance data updated for salary process. Okay, that's mean इस month में like जिसका भी installment deduct होना है उनका information update हो चुका है. Then click on back. Click on process salary. Select month. Then click on process. You are not able to process salary because there is some like request are pending. That's why it's showing error over here, pending approval. So first we have to update all our pending request. Click on back, approved by admin. Over here there is no request. Then we will check in our manual mobile punch. Now we select, click on accept. And then click on back. In shift there is a no request. In leave there is no request. Now we will try to process our salary. Now click on process salary. Select September month. Click on process. Now this is the way software is processing your salary. Total number of employees is 19 and now processed employee salary is 19. That's mean our salary is processed. Now we have to check our reports. We will click on payroll report, then click on salary sheet. Select September month and click on view. So here we can see our attendance file.